The digital world moves fast, really fast. To keep up, businesses need technology that's not just reliable but agile, ensuring seamless operations and an enhanced customer experience. One of our clients, a leading healthcare BPO, needed to modernize its IT infrastructure to support a growing remote workforce while ensuring operational resilience, compliance, and seamless patient interactions. The challenge? Scale up quickly while maintaining security, uptime, and compliance. With increasing patient interactions, the client required a robust, cloud-based infrastructure that could support remote teams with zero disruptions. Our journey began in June 2021 at the height of a global pandemic. After a successful proof of concept, we deployed Horizon on Azure, setting up virtual machines for 1,500 users in just 3 weeks, ensuring security, speed, and scalability. With a proven model, we scaled operations to the US, onboarding 500 users in just 2 weeks. Next, we transformed the Network Operations Center, NOC, reducing alert fatigue and allowing IT teams to focus on real issues. Then came data center optimization. We consolidated multiple data centers into 3, modernizing infrastructure and implementing strict governance for better efficiency and security. Finally, we replicated our Network Operations Center optimization blueprint in the US, delivering the same powerful results. The result? Immediate impact. Operations became faster, more efficient, and highly resilient. Compliance and uptime improved, workforce productivity surged, and IT teams could focus on innovation instead of troubleshooting. Anunta's true North Star is transforming digital infrastructure to enable better healthcare, one innovation at a time.